It's the 80s. This is a computer, the pinnacle of a monkey poking a fish with a stick. As the understanding of this technology grows, so does the audience. As communication between these two entities become more and more complex, people started thinking about ways of things thinking about ways of thinking about things. Think about it. One day a monkey saw a rock and thought to itself, and bam, we have a computer. One of the modern day pioneers of these rocks of enlightenment are this guy, and he's good at thinking about these things, and these things, and these things. Fair warning, some of these equations can be a tough titty to crack, so I'll do my best to break them down, make them entertaining and easier to understand for those just starting out. In machine learning. So if you like educational videos that don't left right Mike Tyson your brain and make you give up on studying the subject altogether, um, I make entertaining videos like this and try and find easier ways for people to understand these types of topics in a less intensive way. It's fun to learn things.